What's the meaning of addiction? Addiction. 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 Addiction refers to a condition in which a person becomes dependent on a substance or behavior, often leading to negative consequences. The result of addiction can be devastating for the individual as well as their loved ones. Physical and psychological dependence on drugs, alcohol, gambling, or other activities can lead to a loss of control over one's life, damaging relationships, affecting job performance, and causing financial issues. Addicts may experience withdrawal symptoms upon attempting to stop their addiction, which can make it extremely difficult to quit without professional help. Treatment and support can help individuals overcome addiction and rebuild their lives.